Privacy and security. Many software exists that allows parents to monitor what their child sees. This can be beneficial as there is lots of inappropriate information on the web. Keeping your private information out of other people's hands and ensuring safe internet use for the family is a good way to keep everyone safe. Passwords, not sharing private information online, and stranger danger are all good first steps when addressing privacy issues. Password recommendations are ones that are complex with numbers, letters, and symbols. Another tip is deciding a password is to avoid any private information in the password, like your name, which can help prevent it from being hacked. Another huge security problem are scams. You're now just a few clicks away from winning a cruise for 4. All you have to do is fill out private information and send cash to this address. Sound familiar? Scammers get even sneakier. They now use popular social media devices to learn more about you and to get you to disclose private information or give them access to what you post and share. Viruses are also very common, can slow down, even destroy your technology. Not to mention, some of the viruses allow hacking into accounts like Facebook. Parents should set standards when allowing kids online. If a kid does find an inappropriate material, they need to share it right away. They shouldn't be afraid to share it with you, otherwise the problem could only get worse. They should want to go to you knowing that you can handle it and not be fearful of any repercussions. Checking in on your child's internet activity in conversation can make it less invasive and gives them the feeling of more freedom and more responsibility. Sharing privacy information can be dangerous, not only disclosing private information, but can be a stepping stone to more information. Parents and teachers must teach and enforce good internet safety and ensure no private information can be disclosed. This means permission to use technology and monitor how they use it. As always, stay safe and God bless.